Hello, it's John here from Planet Primary. I'm just going to talk you through quickly how to use the alien number resources. So here goes. This is the first resource. Very simply, you have an alien that loads up showing its number. So you just click on the number like that and it hides it. So you can make hide and reveal puzzles using that. If you want to point out or label one of the aliens for your students, then you can just click on the body and a spacesuit will appear, or you can hide it. That's just so maybe you've got 6 different files on at once. You can say, look everybody, see that then with the spacesuit, which number do you think that one is hiding? Aha, it's a 5. There's also a hidden version of the same, which loads up with nothing on it, because the first one here, when it loaded up, that loaded showing the number. This one here, when it loads, it is hidden. So you can put that on your smartboard file and save it, and when you load it up for your lesson, there's nothing showing. But in fact, when you click on it, it's exactly the same as the other resource. Okay. Have fun making your smart lessons for these. Maybe you could use them for your 5 times table. The numbers 1 to 10 are free, and if you want the numbers up to 100, then you need to find them on the